Palm oil, health and nutrition. Derived from the fruit of the palm oil tree, red palm oil has a long history dating back thousands of years. Ancient Egyptian pharaohs used red palm oil for cooking and medicinal purposes. Red palm oil has a wide variety of health and nutritional benefits. In fact, red palm oil has more antioxidant benefits than all other oils combined, including olive oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, walnut oil, sesame oil, and coconut oil, just to name a few. Two of the biggest health and nutritional benefits of red palm oil are its abundance of carotenoids and tocotrienols. Carotenoids are extremely powerful antioxidant nutrients that help strengthen the body's immune system and reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, and cataract. Carotene is the most active and important form of carotenoids found in red palm oil. These natural chemical compounds give carrots, tomatoes, and other fruits and vegetables their distinct orange and red colors. Red palm oil is nature's richest source of carotenoids, containing 15 times more carotenoids than carrots and 30 times more than tomatoes. Tocotrienols are another form of vitamin E and have significant cardioprotective properties. While tocotrienols can be found in rice bran, barley, and wheat, red palm oil is one of nature's richest sources of tocotrienols. Tocotrienols help improve blood flow to the brain, and test tube studies conducted over the last 20 years in the US, Canada, and Malaysia have shown that tocotrienols are very effective in killing cancer cells. The test tube findings were so profound that researchers are embarking on clinical trials involving human cancer patients. Using red palm oil as part of a balanced diet can have significant benefits for the heart by keeping arteries open. During the course of our lifetime, plaque builds up on the inside of arteries. Typical saturated fats, such as butter or other oils, tend to promote plaque buildup in the arteries, causing the blocking of blood flow. On the other hand, while red palm oil is in a semi-solid state at room temperature, once inside the warm temperature of the body, it turns to liquid form and actually reduces the buildup of artery-clogging plaque. Studies have shown that people who've substituted other fats and oils for red palm oil have shown a 40% decrease in bad cholesterol after only 1 month of use. Only 2 tablespoons of red palm oil per day are needed to benefit from the positive effects, and red palm oil is an easy substitute for other fats and oils being used as spreads, salad dressings, and cooking oils. That's 2 tablespoons your body will definitely thank you for.